Wind warning. Issued at Thursday 6:28 a.m. February 20th, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Where East Vancouver Island, Nanoose Bay to Campbell River, Sunshine Coast, Saltery Bay to Powell River. When? Until this afternoon. Additional information. A low-pressure center approaching Vancouver Island continues to generate strong southeast winds of 70 km per hour gusting to 90 early this afternoon. Winds will ease later this afternoon as the low weakens. Hashtag. Damage to buildings, such as to roof shingles and windows, may occur. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. High winds may result in power outages and fallen tree branches. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to beakstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using hashtag BCStorm.